Sorry about last time. Like I was saying, up here, right here, the helmet. Sorry guys, like I was saying, since this hand's the throttle, see look, this hand's the throttle, and this one doesn't have any brakes on it, and I'm holding my phone with this hand right here, I can't grab the brakes, so if I need to slam on the brakes, I'm going to have to drop you guys. Let's turn this off for a little bit, let it recharge itself. So, how do you like it so far? Like, share, leave in the comment section below. This is not the end of the video yet, but oh, it's bird. Alright, I think it's ready now. Nope. Okay. Oh my god, dang it. Alright, so hope you guys are ready to go for a spin. Literally, a spin. It's gonna be tough without any brakes. I haven't done it without brakes yet. Here we go. House, by the way. Ford's house.